everyone! Today I'm showing you some cute coloring pages. I have a floral dress to color. You can find the crayons in the description. I'm starting by coloring the top part, a light pink, and the sleeves are a slightly darker shade of pink. In the middle of the dress, there is a belt with a bow. At first, I wanted to color it blue, but I decided to color it dark pink. Hi, sweetie. I also colored the bottom ruffle in a shade of dark pink. You can find the coloring page on Etsy. The dress has a floral pattern, delicate flowers with leaves. I decided to make them red. I used blue to color the shoes. It looks sweet. The rest of the dress is also in a shade of light pink. Have fun!